Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is Jovenal Narcisse. And for today, we're going to unbox an item that came all the way from Bangkok, Thailand, courtesy of my friend CHOOCHAI. CHOOCHAI is very famous for his woven salvage denim and other items that are made of denim, and he makes jackets, he makes salvage denim jeans, he makes those accessories, clothing accessories, and he had been my friend for the past 2 years. And when he posted on Instagram and on Facebook that he's going to make an item, and he was asking for customers or buyers who would like to order such item, that he was going to make handmade, and I am one of them. And I think we were about more than 20 or 25. I am not sure of the exact number of people who ordered this particular item. So this is the box. I use my address in Los Angeles, California, through my forwarder, Johnny Air Cargo Plus. And I was surprised that in less than 9 days, I was able to pick it up at the SM Mega Mall without any hassle. We're going to unbox it right now. Through Facebook or Instagram, I'm always on a daily contact with CHOOCHAI regarding his posts, daily status on Facebook, and I was very happy to see that he is developing a farm outside of Bangkok and is on a tourist mood right now in the different parts of his country, which is Thailand, and he has some friends with him. So we go back to our unboxing. I have here a denim stripe cap that I ordered. Oh, this is nice. I don't know if I got the exact size, but for this purpose, for this video, I think CHOOCHAI, this is small, and I think this is small for me. I have to return this and have it exchanged with a bigger size, if you would mind. Yeah, nice. That is the logo of CHOOCHAI in all his items that he makes. He is the one who weave this particular fabric, denim fabric, and it is very, very unique. Very nice. The other one is they call this a long wallet. Wow. I'm looking to have this kind of wallet. Most of my friends on Instagram wear this kind of wallet. And it goes with a lanyard. This is very nice. It's a very nice lanyard to remove the, and so we'll check on this long wallet The snap part, it has a logo of CHOOCHAI, the famous elephant head, and it has a snap button. Stitching is very intricate. I know this is handmade, and he put some time, CHOOCHAI put some time to make this very nice leather wallet. Thank you, CHOOCHAI. This is nice. Once you open it, you have different credit card or card slots. You have a zipper pocket. Maybe you can place some coins in there or important cards. Very nice zipper. And you have another pocket here, another pocket, and then another slot on the flap. Otherwise, this is very nice. Very nice. The leather is vegetable tan leather. What is nice with this is it will age as time goes by. Maybe it will turn into, this is another vegan leather, and this will darken. There is a hole. I don't know how it is done here. Yeah, maybe you can place it there like that, and then put it on your belt loop. So this is, it would appear, and you place your wallet the back, and then that's how it should look like. We have the tassels, very nice. So all in all, plus the shipping from Bangkok, Thailand, all the way to Los Angeles, and from Los Angeles, I received it here in Metro Manila. The total cost is, for these two, it's $125, and to include the shipping. And I paid another 1,000 pesos for the shipping from Los Angeles to Metro Manila. So, CHOOCHAI, my friend, thank you very much for these items. Don't be sad, I will have to exchange this for a bigger one. And I know this will be of good use in my farm and in my backyard gardening. So with that, thank you for watching and have a good day. Bye.